go over basic shit with you.
Sure.
I'm not gonna...
I'm riding the, oh, you want me to put this vest on?
You just have this trigger.
Yeah.
Just pinch it, and then you can just...
Alright.
Depending on if you feel you need to or not.
Okay.
This is your on-off switch, so this just slides towards you.
Okay.
And then in the middle
Is the start. Okay.
Blinkers, back to one thumb, push in to cancel it out. All right.
Oh, so it's not your typical Harley cancel, automatic cancel stuff. All right.
Levers are adjustable. If you need to bring them closer or farther, you just twist.
All right.
Now, the mode button is up top here.
Okay.
So, did I lose the key fob for some reason? It's getting a hit. Where the keys go? Let me see if he's got the key.
So here we are at the Bergen County Harley Davidson, and this is the Pan America that I'm going to take out right now. You know, Justin's setting me up. Going to take this for a ride.
You might want to, I did some local ride. I just went local.
Right.
You know, traffic, I had to get used to the bike. I don't know if you want to do that.
Yeah.
Or you could just mode button.
Yeah, he's getting to that now. It won't do anything because of the key fob.
It's real easy.
Yeah. So you just went, you went out here, made a right, and you just kept going straight?
Yeah, just went straight. We'll shoot a couple of back streets.
Yeah.
Because I was getting a feel.
Right.
The seating position was bugging me out. I kept put my feet like. Then I started getting comfortable to it, and then I went out to 80.
Damn, man.
Sport mode is fucking retarded, man. It's fucking retarded.
Nice. Really, really nice.
You know what happens because we're used to riding cruisers. Remember watching, you know, Long Range to Nowhere, and then after a while they're riding these types of bikes and they need to be sitting there putting their legs out.
Yeah.
I can see that happen.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What fell off?
The key.
The key fob?
Yeah.
Oh no. I see lights.
Hop on for a sec.
What's that?
Hop on.
Ah!
About 20.
What's that?
Okay,
Side stands up.
so I'm gonna
do it first before you go to sport mode.
I'm gonna put you in rain mode
Sure, it's fine.
here and here. Once you got a feel for the bike,
Yeah.
2 clicks over, I'll put you in the S or the sport mode. You definitely want to feel that. So if you want to do a little bit of local, do a little bit of highway, so you get a chance to feel it.
Cool. Oh wow, cool. All right, here we are on the Pan America. Man, oh man, this feels odd. Ooh, wow, the brakes are like freaking awesome. All right, this is something I have to get used to because I am not used to this type of seating position at all. The one thing that I'm going to have difficulty getting used to is the turn signal on the left side. Not used to that. Amazing power. And I've only gone a short distance. Okay, you got your mode selector here. This is on, press to start. Voice control tire thing, and this is you can volume up and down, and you can scroll through the The screen, huge display, beautiful. Heated grips, high and low beams. Handles very nice. Getting to learn all this stuff here. I don't know what the view is like. I haven't adjusted the camera yet. Well, actually, this is as far as it goes. And it looks, from what I could tell from the view, the camera's pointing completely at nothing but the front of the bike. So I have to adjust hand guards, adjustable windshield should I want it. And one thing I did notice is that the shift lever is a little different spacing between the peg and the shift lever, and as a result I can't put my boot all the way back on the peg, because if I do, I miss the shift. But this traffic blows. Not exactly the way I want to test out a bike. Right now I have it in standard mode, which is as close to an ordinary Harley Davidson ride as you can imagine. Just like with the Livewire, which had the same mode. Boy, shifting is just so smooth with this thing. Wow. Absolutely smooth. The brakes are just amazing. I haven't noticed the suspension do its thing yet. Auto adjusting a suspension. I have not noticed that yet. I'm just completely impressed with this bike, and I haven't even gone a mile yet because the traffic sucks. Seat is very comfortable, very bouncy. It's got the steering damper on it too, which is awesome. I can't get used to these turn signals this way. It's just something that's not in my wheelhouse. Let's get on 17. Let's get some highway miles on. Jesus Christ. I officially do not like the turn signal on one side. I just don't. Very responsive. This windshield is offering really good protection. The wind is just going right over me. I still feel it in the chest, but not as difficult as you would think. It still feels good. It's really hard to get a gauge of what this bike can do. Wow. I don't want to page through all this stuff here while I'm riding. I'm still trying to get used to the bike. Yeah. The throttle response is really good. Yeah, you got to move the clutch out quite a bit. I mean, I have no problem with the reach with the clutch. They're totally adjustable. I have to let it out a little bit more than I'm used to. But still. This is a bike that, for me, a guy that's been riding cruisers all his life, I would have to spend some time on this bike. A lot of time on this bike to get really used to it. You know, one little trip like this is not gonna satisfy my need for understanding. Yeah, it's just too much traffic to really enjoy the ride. Good brakes. What you doing? I'll tell you what, the engine does not put off a lot of heat at all. This is the new Revolution X engine. 1250cc. Very nice. Got a gear shift indicator. I'm in 6th gear already. How about that? Huh. I've never had a bike with 6 gears. This is amazing. Wonderful torque. Modes available. This is sport mode. Off-road. Rain mode. Road mode. Sport mode. Wow. Throttle response is just amazing on this. Wow. In sport mode, it wants to get up. Rain mode, the throttle response is definitely slower. Very, very nice. I'm going back the same way I came out. Very comfortable ride. Man, oh man, this thing is comfortable. Holy crap. I don't like the size of the grips. I think the grips could be better. They're kind of thin. I'm used to fat ones, that's why. That's me. I'm used to fat grips. I'm impressed. I really am. I really am very, very impressed with this bike. This handles well. It feels good. What an engine this thing's got. Yeah. Where's the kickstand? Damn, man. The brakes are freaking phenomenal for one. Throttle response is amazing in each one of the modes. I changed over to regular standard mode, which makes you feel like a regular bike, blah, blah, blah. I rode in that most of the time, and it was there all the time. I put it in sport mode, it was like the throttle was really twitchy.
Came up behind me.
I mean, there's a lot of crap going on here on the handlebar, so I didn't mess with that too much. I tell you what, I've been riding Harleys all my life, so the turn signal on one thumb, don't like it. Don't like it at all, but man, I tell you what.
Very impressive, right?
Jesus, very.
Fucking tight. Suspension's awesome.
Man, super comfortable ride. My God, this thing is comfortable. Damn. Very comfortable. It's a great bike. Really is a great bike.